Democratization of AI empowering the masses. The democratization of AI refers to making AI tools and technologies accessible to a broader audience, regardless of technical expertise or financial resources. This movement is driven by the development of user-friendly AI applications that integrate seamlessly into everyday life, allowing more people to leverage the power of AI for various purposes. The implications of AI democratization are profound. For individuals, it means access to powerful tools that can assist in learning, content creation, and personal productivity. For businesses, especially small and medium enterprises, it offers the ability to compete on a more level playing field with larger corporations by leveraging AI to optimize operations, improve customer engagement, and innovate products and services. Moreover, the widespread availability of AI tools fosters innovation and creativity by removing barriers to entry. People from diverse backgrounds can now contribute to the development of AI-driven solutions, leading to a richer and more inclusive technological ecosystem. This shift not only accelerates the pace of technological advancement, but also ensures that the benefits of AI are more evenly distributed across society.